And this is the Galaxy S25. Display type Dynamic LTPO AMOLED. 120 refresh rate, 2600 nits peak brightness. Build glass front Gorilla Glass Victus 2, glass back Gorilla Glass Victus 2, aluminum frame, stereo speaker, secondary mic, and infrared port. Security feature under the split fingerprint, protection IP68, dust tight and water resistant, immersible up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Dual nano SIM plus eSIM, OS Android 15 up to 7 major upgrades. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm octa-core. GPU Adreno 830. Internal memory 128 GB 12 GB RAM. Type UFS 4.0. Battery capacity 4000 mAh, 25 watts fast charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and 4.5 reverse wireless charging. Triple rear camera, main 50 megapixel, secondary 10 megapixel telephoto, and the third one is 12 megapixel ultra wide. Feature best face LED plus light auto HDR and panorama. Video feature is 8K resolution at 30 fps and 4K resolution at 30 to 60 fps. Selfie camera 12 megapixel, 26mm wide, 4K resolution at 30 to 60 fps. The price is 258 Kuwaiti dinar. And this is a Galaxy S25 Plus. Build glass front Gorilla Glass Victus 2, glass back Gorilla Glass Victus 2, aluminum frame, single speaker, dual mic, protection IP68, dust tight and water resistant, immersible up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, armor aluminum frame 2. Display type Dynamic LTPO AMOLED, 120 refresh rate, 2600 nits peak brightness, 6.7 inches, 91.8 screen to body ratio. Camera main 50 megapixel, 10 megapixel secondary, and 12 megapixel front camera, 12 megapixel wide, featuring 4K resolution and 30 to 60 fps. And the price is 314 Kuwaiti dinar. And this is the King S25 Ultra. Display type Dynamic LTPO AMOLED, 2600 nits peak brightness, 6.9 inches and 92.5 screen to body ratio. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2, always on display, 120 refresh rate, dual nano SIM plus dual eSIM international. Build glass front Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2, glass back Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and titanium frame grade 5. Protection IP68, dust tight and water resistant, immersible up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. OS Android 15 up to 7 major Android upgrades. Chipset Snapdragon 8 Elite octa-core, GPU Adreno 830. Battery capacity 5000 mAh, 45 watts fast charging, 15 watts wireless charging, 4.5 reverse wireless charging. Memory 12 GB RAM, 256 storage. Quad main camera 200MP main, 10MP secondary, and the third one is 50MP and 50MP ultra wide. Dual pixel super steady video. Video at 8K resolution at 24-30 fps. Gyro EIS. Selfie camera is 12 megapixel wide and 4K resolution at 60 fps. And the price is 414 Kuwaiti dinar.